Hi, welcome to Alaska Rural Homestead. Today I'm going to show you how to make my antibacterial soap. So we'll go over the ingredients. There's not many. First ingredients is salt soda. That is going to be your sudsy. And then we have the castor oil, which is going to work along with the salt soda and make the suds. And it's also a moisturizer. And then we have the glycerin, which is another moisturizer and a cleanser, used for a lot of beauty products also. And then we have the iodine. The iodine is a must-have for the homestead, especially for you preppers out there. It's a natural mineral that comes from the soil and the oceans, and it takes out the viruses and bacteria in water and in very small quantities. You can use this to clean your water in an emergency situation. Very small quantities. Now, it will clear viruses out of the water, but it will not take Giardia out of that water. So, a good thing to keep in mind, especially if you're out there in a survival mode. Then we have On Guard for doTERRA. Okay, now we're going to use a 1/3 cup of this salt soda, and I just put it in a little jar here, and then I dispense it into another smaller container that's a little easier to use. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of the castor oil. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of the glycerin. We're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of the iodine, and depending on how strong you like your soap, I normally put 10 drops in there, but you can adjust it to your liking. And so I'll just fill this up, and I'll put water in it and shake it up, and it's ready to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill this up with water. We're just going to put warm water. It smells so good too. Alright, now I filled it up. I just gave it a little bit of space there so I can get it shooken up here. Now see, you can see how nice and bubbly that is. But this is great antibacterial soap to have on your homestead. Let me go ahead and show you how it... Now, like I said, you can, if you want it more sudsy, you can just add more of the salt soda. And with all the viruses and bacteria going around, you want to make sure you wash your hands really good. And there we go. Love that. Give us a thumbs up and like our channel.